Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Tuesday 28th of June. Right, so there's a little bit of issue with the retracement that we're having right now, but you can see that by the end of the day, this is like a very stretched, very long, sort of a retest probably, and I don't know why the buyers are still not stepping in, and that's going to be a little bit of a problem if the buyers are not stepping in. Yesterday you had some sort of a bear flag right here, so on the 4-hour time frame that bear flag really played out. So from there to there you're looking for Cardano to basically, oh no, it's still going to come down to 4624, and that's actually not good. So very quickly here, just a second guys, I think this is trouble. Okay, this is trouble in its own self, and I just don't like how Cardano has done that kind of stuff right now, because if you're looking to come down to 4617, even SHIB has a little bit of a bearish pattern, and you're going to see this thing turning into a very different looking chart, and it's not going to be an inverse head and shoulder anymore. So yeah, there's a little bit of issue. Some people are saying that look at the head and shoulder, look at the head and shoulder. So what I'm going to do is diving into the 1-hour time frame here, because we just got the head and shoulder after some few more days. And as far as I see things, you all putting some sort of a left shoulder here, the head, and then the right shoulder right there. And I'm going to bring the neckline, and you've already broken the neckline potentially here. You can see that it's a very clear break of the neckline, and you're looking for the dump from there to there, and that's going to take you all the way down to nearly 4473. So you're looking for that retracement all the way to the downside. And that's it for this quick update. If you do break the neckline, then you're going to look for Cardano to continue to go to the upside, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.